Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you'll stick around, hit that red subscribe button, and become part of our family. We're doing an unboxing today, and I believe, I'm not sure, and I don't know the price. You guys, I'm a bad YouTuber, I'm sorry. I need to look it up. I keep forgetting the price of this because this is still new to me. It is the Bijou beauty box. I think this is October's. I'm not sure. I guess we'll find out. I still have not gotten my Boxy Luxe, and here it is October 5th, and I still have not gotten my September Boxy Luxe box. So I wouldn't be surprised if this is September's box, but we are in October, and I did get this 2 days ago. So let's see what month it is. And like I said, I forget how much it is. You guys, I'm sorry. I'll put it down in the description box below. I think this is the third one that I've received. And I think this is is this every other month? I don't know. You guys, I should really get my facts straight. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get into this box and see what's in it. So when you open it up, it is personalized, and I absolutely love that. So cute. Like, come on, that's adorable. And then you have it wrapped up very nicely. And this is September's box. So I'm not surprised. Like I said, I still have not got my Boxy Luxe box. But this did come to me in October. So I don't know if that's normal, like if they're normally late or not. Like I said, this is a new box to me. So, but I do like it. But I'm not upset. I mean, everything has been going slow, and I mean, it is what it is. So, you know, but I am upset about my Boxy Luxe box. Okay, when you open it up, there is a little sneak peek. It looks just like the box that I already received. That's weird. Okay, so this is why I'm like, it looks like the box I already got, because I think I got one of these from them. Maybe it wasn't them. Maybe it was the other one that I'm getting. What is it? I don't know. I don't even know the name of the other box, the other new box. But I think I definitely got one of these, and I don't know if it's this color or not, but I definitely got one. Oh, it doesn't tell you anything about the products in here. So it says September 2020. This box comes with 5 products. Thank you so much for supporting our small business. Your support means the world to us. We are deeply sorry for our shipping delays, and we appreciate your kindness and patience as we continue to adapt during COVID. From our family to yours, we hope you are staying well and safe. Bijou Beauty Box. For more info, check out www.bijoubeautybox.com. Follow and tag us on Instagram at Bijou Beauty Box. Okay, so it doesn't tell us the prices or anything about it, but that's okay. I was really excited to get this. Since I already have one and this is sealed, I'll probably put this in a giveaway because these are awesome. They have the little thing that you can use to put it on your hands so it doesn't go anywhere. And then you can scrub your brushes and your sponges like very easily and have good control of it. So I do like this a lot. Not mad at it, but I do have one, so I don't really need 2. So this will go into a giveaway. The other thing that I already have is this smoke bomb with foil. Let me grab mine real quick so I can show you the swatches of this. Give me 1 sec. So here's mine. Here's the one they sent me. It is the same exact palette. So this will end up going into a giveaway as well. This is a really nice little cute palette though. I'm not mad at it at all. So here are your shades. And striking, luminous, and smoking. I do like the bomb's quality. It's just I didn't want to have to get 2 palettes of the same. But I'm not sure where I got it from. But there are the colors. Like I said, they're very pretty. Use this paper to wipe it off. Okay, so that's 2 things for a future giveaway. Like I said, I'm not mad about that. I enjoy doing giveaways. Next item is from Steve Laurent, and it is a lip oil. Don't I have this too? I'm pretty sure I do. Let's see. Yes, I have this too. So this is going to go in a giveaway. I'm wondering, like, that's a little strange because I'm going to have to go back and look at my videos to see if this is the same stuff I just got in another box, because that's crazy. I definitely have this. I'm not sure where I put it or I would grab it for you, but I definitely have that. All right, so 3 things in a giveaway. Okay, next item is a pair of lashes, and they're super cute. Flaunt Beauty I swear I got the same thing because I have these too. This is magnetic faux mint lashes right there. So we have now got 4 things to do a giveaway with. I mean, it's not the greatest giveaway, but there are 4 things there to do a giveaway with. So there's one more thing left. It is a palette. Let's see here. And this is Amber Dazzle, the Jewel palette. That's really pretty. I like the packaging of that. Yeah, I don't know. I've never seen this before. Never heard of this brand. Let's see what she looks like. All right, Amber Dazzle. And then, oh, when you open her up, she's kind of pretty, you guys. Let's get that out of here. And there are your colors. You guys, that looks gorgeous. So we're going to do some swatches. These glitters are gorgeous looking. Like, really pretty. But let's do some swatches. Oh, it's very soft. Very, very soft. Iris, Topaz, Rose Quartz, and HEBE. I'm not sure what that is, but there are those. The pigment is not bad either at all. Okay, I like getting these kinds of palettes and finding a, you know, a diamond in the rough, I guess. So we have Amber, Athena, Gold, which is one of the glitters. Oh, and Aphrodite. These are really, really pretty shades. And I mean, you can see the swatches are pretty darn amazing too. Look at that glitter. Wow. Let's see if I can spread it down some. There we go. Wow, that's really pretty. All right, I'm just using the tissue paper to wipe my fingers. Majestic, Amethyst, Goddess. Wow, that's the other glitter. And Tourmaline looks like a duochrome. And it definitely is. And we're running out of room. I mean, come on, the pigmentation is ridiculous. It's so nice. Oh, that's the glitter. Let's see if I can get that to go right. And it feels like there's like a Vaseline in that to make it spread good. Let me get a little bit more of that glitter to try to make the swatch look good. Okay, there you go. And that duochrome is really pretty too. Look at the shine in those. All right. All right, we've got Black Agate, I guess, Agate, and it's soft. You know how like a lot of darker colors are chalky and they feel like grindy kind of? That was fine. Absolutely soft. Sapphire, same thing. This is a blue and it's so soft. Cleopatra, it's a red and it's soft. Wow. And Emerald. You guys, this is an amazing stinking palette. Wow. That is a, oh my gosh, look at that black. You can't get that kind of black in, oh my gosh. You can't get that kind of pigment in high-end palettes, you guys. Like, seriously. Oh my gosh. What in the world is this? Whoever this is, definitely knows how to make eyeshadows, because look, it's even stained my fingers. What? Look at that black. You guys. All right, there are 2 more, and it is Muse, M-U-S-E, and Ciara that looks like a duochrome shimmer. So right there. Oh my gosh, look at that orange. I am so impressed. I am definitely going to be doing a look with this palette for sure, because look at those pigments, you guys. Beautiful pigments. Oh my gosh. Okay. Whoever this brand is, I'm going to be looking this up, and I bet you this palette is not that expensive, because most of the time with these like brands that come in these boxes, they're like maybe at the most a $20 palette. And if that's the case, this, I mean, swatches don't tell everything, but it sure enough shows you the pigment. And the pigment is amazing, you guys. Even the glitters, they have that like staying power, whatever they put in it to make it so that you don't have to use a glitter glue. Oh, I just spilled my drink on that palette. Thank God it only went on the, I had it closed. Sometimes I just don't know about myself, you guys. I just don't know. But it did go on the carton, and that's it. Let me just wipe that up real quick. Yeah, that was smart. Real smart, Mandy. Anyway, like I was saying before I spilled my drink, I'm definitely impressed. I can't wait to try this palette. Like, you guys, you can see for yourself. It is stunning, beautiful. I bet the look is going to be amazing. So let's recap our Bijou box. We have this palette by Amber Dazzle, the jewel palette. I mean, I've already said enough. We have a magnetic pair of lashes, a Steve Laurent lip gloss, the brush cleaner, and a palette from The Balm. So these 4 things I'm going to put aside, and I will collect some things this month that I get through my beauty boxes, and I'll do a giveaway that's a little bit better. I don't want to just do a giveaway with 4 things. So I'll make sure I gather a couple more things and we'll do a giveaway. So stay tuned for that. I'm not sure what video it'll be in, but just stay tuned for that. But anyway, I'm really liking this palette. I like this box. If you guys like to see it, please let me know down below. I think I'm going to continue to get it, at least for a little while. I mean, it's pretty impressive to me. But anyway, thank you guys so much for being here. Please let me know what you thought of this palette. Do you think it's going to be as stunning as I'm thinking? And even the Balm palette is really pretty. But, I mean, it's basic shades. This is not basic shades. Definitely not basic. It's jewel tones. And I love color. So I'm absolutely, and you could do a neutral look too, but I am absolutely going to have a lot of fun with that palette. Anyway, thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to like, share, leave me a comment down below, and also subscribe. It is super important. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.